If you want to make a freeze frame, this is the video for you. First we set up our character as I did in previous videos and set up a dummy. The dummy doesn't have any script at all and just have a basic collision shape to detect the collision with the bullet. Then we create a new script, time manager, and we go to project settings, we go to globals, and we click here to add our timer. We have to look for it because my folder here is really organized. So it's here, we click on add, and then we open it, we can delete it, and then we create a new function called time freeze, and then we call engine.timescale equals. First we have to add a few parameters, timescale and time stop, and then we do equals timescale, and we await get tree dot create timer and time stop. That will be our timer. True, false, and true. Then we do engine.timescale equals 1. Now here we will open create timer to explain here what everything does. So in the end everything is the default except ignore timescale, that we put it as false, so it ignores the real time and just follows the in-game time. Then we go to our bullet, here is our script, and here after the print it we do time manager.time freeze 0.5 and 0.5, and now if we execute it, and the camera is down here, but okay, you can see if I shoot in the air and I shoot at the enemy, the bullets go slower, and this is it, the time freeze. We can also change a little the time scale to be more noticeable, and as you can see the time freeze is more noticeable. And that's it. If you wanna see how I made a game in a month, check this video. Thank you.